Hello everyone. Have you ever wished that you could create videos without sitting in front of the camera and have them automatically edited, published while you focus on your business and other tasks? Well, that's exactly I have built. Most agencies, business owners and content creators know the power of video, but it takes so much time recording, editing and posting, and not everyone is comfortable with the camera. So I built a complete AI video production system. It's like your digital twin, which will be creating videos on your behalf. If it sounds interesting to you, so you can invest your next 5 minutes by watching this video, how you can also create the same system for yourself. And I will also share the blueprints of this automation at the end of this video. So now let's dive into the actual walkthrough of the system. First of all, we have this simple boring make.com scenario, which is watching for a Google Sheet, which is basically this AI avatar database in which we will be handling our all the tasks. So these are the links of different YouTube videos, and here we have some checkboxes and then video creation links. So this module will be looking for these links every single day and then transcribe that video. Basically, it will get the idea what is basically being discussed in that video and how we can create the same video by adding our touch. Okay, and then we will be passing the transcription of this video to the OpenAI, and then we will be creating a script. After creating a script, we will pass the script to our HeyGen avatar. So HeyGen is basically a platform in which you can create your realistic avatars, which can be your digital twins in simple words. So then we will be requesting HeyGen to create us a avatar video. And once the video is created, we will download that file and then upload that video into your Google Drive, and you can use Dropbox and any other cloud platforms to save your video. And then we will also update our Google Sheet to basically upload the link of the video we have generated. Till now, we have generated our avatar video, and the video will be basically saved to your Google Drive. And this is now a folder I have created in my Google Drive in which we will be uploading raw HeyGen videos. And here is another scenario which will be triggered when we will upload a video into our folder. Then we will get the link and then we will make a request to SubMagic. If you don't know SubMagic is a tool which can automate your editing. For editing, we are using SubMagic, and this is the endpoint we will be calling. And then as you can see that we are getting our share link of video and passing that to SubMagic. And then here you can see that I am saying that zoom in effects, B-rolls and captions. We are generating these three things in order to basically edit our video. That's it. And if the video is generated successfully, so here is a webhook in which you have to send the data we are saying to SubMagic. And that's it for this module, right? So this is what this workflow does. Then we have the final module for video creation. So this final module is basically doing if the video when the video will be edited. So SubMagic will send the data here. What we have to do is basically download this video by using HTTP module and then upload that video to another Google Drive folder, which is basically edited videos or final videos. That's it. So now we have our video which is being generated by HeyGen and then edited by the SubMagic. What we have to do is now finally uploading those all videos to our all social media. So for that, we have our final scenario, which is basically for video production. So we have two folders. One is raw videos and one is edited videos. So this Google Drive module will be looking for the folder which are edited videos in our Google Drive, right? And then download that video, and then we will be using OpenAI to create captions for every single post we will be doing across multiple platforms. And then one by one, we will be uploading to our all social media. If you want any social media like YouTube, you can add that module as well, and it will upload to your YouTube. This is how you can automate your video production system and uploading it across multiple platforms. So if it sounds interesting and you want the workflow of this automation, you can comment the word AI avatar, and I will send the first two workflows of this entire production system. And if you are a business owner and want to set up this exactly system with 100% of accuracy for your business, you can contact me. We will create the same system for you as well. And that's it for this video. If it sounds interesting, you can like this video, repost it, and share with your friends as well. Thank you. Rahul Khan signing off.